Founded in 2006, Zero Motorcycles is the world's largest manufacturer of electric motorcycles and globally recognized for innovation, performance, and design. Winner of numerous best-in-class awards, Zero Motorcycles is acknowledged as the leader in electric motorcycle technology, and in the short span of 8 years has created a compelling story through its mission and brand, a story about American ingenuity, creativity, and manufacturing prowess. A story about fundamentally changing the way two-wheeled transportation and recreation is experienced. Most of all, a story about the future. At Zero Motorcycles, the ride has just begun.
It feels like you're almost flying from the standpoint of it's completely quiet.
Because of the no noise factor and just the wind in your face, almost like you're levitating.
They're a great tool to have here on the university. You can go in through these little areas that any patrol car can't.
Well, the leading company in electric motorcycles is at the Progressive International Motorcycle Show.
Finally, electric motorcycles are getting stronger. I blew past a Maserati off a green light.
Everywhere I go, people stop me and they want to know all about it. So I feel like a rock star just out cruising on my Zero.
What we give you is a bike that makes more foot-pounds of torque than a 1,000cc sport bike.
The electric motorcycle industry has been booming, and this is one of the biggest brands in the business, Zero Motorcycles.
The term I would use is pure fun. The thing has so much freaking torque. You're going along, you just pop a little bit and you shoot out.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I want one.
I love the styling of it. I just think it's the most badass looking bike. I love the dual headlights.
You twist the throttle and it's amazing. You're just gone. And there's nothing. Everything is just a blur. It's insane. Like, it is a performance machine, period.
When we first got on the freeway and I looked down, like all of a sudden I'm doing over the speed limit before I even realized it. So that was pretty amazing.
This is a step beyond of what we're used to with electric motorcycles. There is no other motorcycle that you can do what we did today. There's no other gas-powered motorcycle you can do that on.
It performs like no other bike I've ridden, and I've ridden a lot of motorcycles.
I've had over 212 motorcycles. I've had 2 dealerships. I've raced, trials, motocross, super sport, vintage race, and this is the most fun I've ever had on 2 wheels.
Zero is totally nimble, totally agile, and making a lot less noise than all these cars around me.